Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Knowledge Beginners. I'm your teacher Guru and again I'm back with an Clip Studio Paint beginners training number 3. And as you guys know, we learned some basic selections in our previous video, and today I'm going to teach you the best trick to draw portraits even if you are a beginner or a professional. So this secret trick will help you and save your time a lot. So alright guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started to the video. Alright, so this trick is very easy to learn. You just need the image you want to draw. So click on File, scroll down and click on the option Import. Then select the image you want to draw and click Open. Now we are halfway done, so the next is make a new layer by clicking on this option and name it Outline. Then reduce the opacity of the image and select the outline layer. That's it. Now you just need to outline as you want. Just select the brush and start dragging your brush or pencil on the image. I will put a little time lapse, and now you can draw any portrait without any difficulties. You don't need to make a grid or spend hours to outline this. This is the best way and the easiest way to outline in Clip Studio Paint. So if you want to learn how you can color, so make sure to subscribe and like in this video. I will teach you in my next video how you can color or blend in Clip Studio Paint. So alright guys, take care and bye bye.